Hello, my name is Rick Miller. I'm the facility manager for Kitchen 66 in the Mother Road Market. Today we're going to show how to use our 20-quart mixer that's open for anyone that rents any space in the kitchen. It's got several safety features on it. Not the least of which is you have to have a bowl inserted and an attachment on it with it brought up and the safety cage closed. We'll just kind of walk through that. There's a nipple on the back of this bowl that keeps it from flipping and flopping while it's in there. It goes in this small hole right here in the back of the mixer. And then you lock it down with these little levers on the sides, and you're good and sturdy. We have the wire whisk, we have the paddle, and then we have a dough hook. I always put the paddle in there. This handle raises it up until it clicks, and then you shut the cage and it will click. And you have to have the timer on at least something. I would never go off and leave something running based on strictly a timer, but you do have to have at least something on there before it will start. When the cage is closed, the bowl is up, you've selected your speed. There's a 1, a 2, and a 3. And the handle indicates which one you're on. Like this is on speed 2 now. You always want to have the mixer turned off and stopped before changing any gear. And then just hit the start button and away it goes. Now when you finish, you get your item out of the mixer. You just simply lower this, take your attachment off. If you have a lot of batter or dough in here, a lot of times it's easier to keep the attachment in there until you take the bowl, until you remove the bowl. And then you can, clean your batter off or your dough, and then clean your bowl out. All these parts are machine washable in the dish room to be cleaned up. Another real important point, any mixer based on the size of the bowl in quarts, like this is a 20 quart, so with a medium stiff dough, you can put up to 20 pounds of dough in it. If you get over that, you're going to overheat it. It could cause you a problem. If it's like a cake batter, 20 is a good number, but if it's a stiff dough bread dough, you probably want to keep it around 15 to 18 pounds. If it does overheat and it does shut down, there's a reset button on the side here that you just simply push and it should start back up. If not, you need to check breakers for the outlet or consult the facility manager that's on at the time. Thank you.